When cruise lines are going to start their operation? Well, what is the expected date when they are going to operate their ships? Well, there is some movement. I just heard it. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, whenever I upload any video on my channel, this comment I do receive on each and every single video where people ask me when cruise lines are going to start their operation. Well guys, let me tell you, there is some movement. There are some updates going on the website. There are some schedules of the cruise ships which I can see on the websites. In this video I'm going to share with you what are the expected dates which cruise line is going to start when. I'm going to tell you is, and I have covered mostly all the cruise line, means from top to bottom, and I don't think so I have missed out any cruise line. So let's get started. But before I proceed, make sure you have subscribed this channel, press that bell icon to the all notification on. When I make more informative videos like this, you get notified automatically. If you want to talk to me personally, you can DM me directly on Instagram. Link is given down in the description below. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all in my list I have is Royal Caribbean Limited, which includes a Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, Celebrity Cruises, Azamara Cruises. As per the information, all these cruise lines have cancelled their sailings till late of April and they are expected to start from 1st of the May. Alright, the second I have is Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings Limited, which includes Norwegian Cruise Line, Oceania Cruises, Regent 7 Cruises. Well guys, this company as well has cancelled their all the sailing till late of 30th of April and they are expected to resume their operations from 1st of May. Third I have in my list is Carnival Cruise Line. Well guys, there's something which I want to share with you is because people are confused about it. Carnival Corporation is a corporation which includes around 7 to 8 sister cruise lines, where one of them is a Carnival Cruise Line. Alright, so Carnival Cruise Line is not the cruise line which includes all their sister cruises. Carnival Corporation is the company which includes Carnival Cruise Line itself. Like how the Norwegian Cruise Line Holding Limited, it's a company which includes Norwegian Cruise Line as well, Oceania and Regent 7. The same way there is a Carnival Corporation which is a company, and under the company there are the different cruise lines which include Carnival Cruise Line. Alright, because it has sister cruises, Carnival Cruise Line, Piano, there are so many. Alright, but this cruise line is expected to start from in USA 1st of May and from Australia and other places from 1st of June. Fourth I have in my list is MSC Cruise Line. This is also one of the most fastest growing cruise line which has a lot of beautiful ships. Well guys, this cruise line as well had cancelled all their sailing till late of the 30th of April, but they are expected to start their operations into May. Fifth I have in my list is Virgin Voyages. Well guys, this cruise line has one of the most beautiful ships, because when I was there in the America and we were coming back to India in Norwegian Escape, trust me guys, I saw a ship, I think that was a Scarlet Lady, and it was looking a super beautiful, completely reddish ship. It is a completely beautiful ship, one of the beautiful ship I have ever seen, because it has with a new design which you won't see at sea at the moment. However, there are some ships which has been ordered for the same design by the different cruise line, but those things I'm going to share with you later on into this video. But this cruise line has scheduled their Scarlet Lady ship to sail on 9th of May and the Valiant Lady 14th of November. I know it is too far, but scheduled by the company. Next I have in my list is Disney Cruise Line. Well guys, yes, this is also one of the great cruise line which I have ever seen, and they are also a very famous cruise line. Well guys, this cruise line has mostly, I think, 4 ships they have, and I'm going to share with you the information. Where Disney Fantasy is set to sail on 24th of April and Disney Dream is set to sail on April 30, Disney Magic is set to sail on May 9, and Disney Wonder is set to sail on May 12th. So this is the information about a Disney Cruise Line. And next in our list we have a Cunard Cruise Line. Well guys, this cruise line has a 3 ship and they are set to sail on Queen Victoria, which is set to sail on May 17. Next we have Queen Mary 2, which is set to sail on May 28, and we have Queen Elizabeth, which is set to sail on 4th of June. This is also a very good cruise line and has a very beautiful ships. So now in our list we have a next cruise line which is a Holland America. This cruise line as well has cancelled all their sailing till late 30th of April and they are expected to start from 1st of the May. However, there are some different itinerary, different location of about a cruise ship where they are going to start in different regions, which you can read out online. Ninth in a list we have is a Princess Cruises. Well guys, this cruise line as well has cancelled their all the sailing till first week of May and they are expected to start from 14th of May. Let's see what is going to happen hopefully looking forward for good things. Next, and the 10th number we have in our list is Costa Cruises. Well guys, this is the cruise line which is expected to start in this month only, which is of February. Let me share with you some information about the cruise ships which are set to sail in the February. On 27th February and 28th February we have a Costa Luminosa and Costa Smeralda which is set to sail. On the other hand, Costa Firenze and some other ships are set to sail in April, following by in the May as well. 11th, Seabourn Cruise Line. Well guys, this cruise line as well as cancel all the sailing till last of the April. They are expected to start at 1st of the May, and even some of the cruise ship of this cruise line are expected to start from end of the May, which is 28, 29. 12th we have is Windstar Cruises. Well guys, this cruise line as well has cancelled all their sailing till late April, and they are expected to start in May. And however, some of the cruise ship of this cruise line is going to start even further later. It is going to depend on the itinerary and the location where the cruise ship is basically going to sail. All right. 13th we have is Marella Cruises. Well guys, this cruise line has also cancelled their sailing till mid of the April, and they are expected to start in April. And well, there are some ships which are scheduled to sail basically into April. Let me share with you some information about it. Where from April 7th, like Marella Discovery 2 is expected to sail, and even some cruise ships of this cruise line are scheduled for a May. So let's hope for the best. 14th we have is Viking Cruises. Well guys, this cruise line as well as cancelled their all the sailings till late of March, and they are expected to start from a first week of April. Where Viking Sky is expected to start from 4th of April and Viking Sea is expected to start from 6th of April. Next we have in our list is Piano Cruises. Well guys, Piano Cruises is separately based on a different countries. One is for UK, one is for Australia. So both these cruise line I'm going to give you information separate by separate. First of all, let's talk about Piano Cruises for UK. This cruise line as well has cancelled their all the sailing till mid of the April, and now they are expected to start at the late of April, where some of the cruise ships are also expected to start from 24th of April. Piano Lona and Piano Aurora. Alright, so now let's talk about Piano Cruises Australia. This cruise line as well has cancelled their all the sailing till late of the April, but now they are expected to start at the end of the April, well 30th of April. Pacific Adventure is expected to sail, and some of the other ship of this cruise line are expected to start from May and July. Next we have in our list is AIDA Cruises. Well guys, this cruise line has also cancelled all the sailings till late of this month February, and some of the ship of this cruise line are expected to start in first week of March, where AIDA Aprilia is expected to sail on March of 6th, and some of the other cruise ships of this cruise line are expected to start in April and the May. So I hope guys the information provided by me was informative. If yes, then please make sure you like this video. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit that fat subscribe button, press the bell icon to the all notification on, so when I make more informative videos like this, you get notified automatically. Make sure you drop your comment down in the description below and tell me how was the video. I will see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye bye.